In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Devin AI with Slack integration guide. By the end, you'll have Devin connected to your Slack workspace, know how to trigger it effectively, and understand how to manage sessions without leaving Slack. First, head to the Devin web app and open settings, then integrations, choose connect, then Slack. You'll be prompted to install the Devin app into your Slack workspace and authorize permissions. Make sure the email on your Slack account matches the email on your Devin account. If they don't match, the link can fail. Once the installation is complete, you'll see Devin appear as a bot in Slack, which confirms the connection. After the integration is set up, each person who wants to use Devin in Slack needs to link their Slack user with their Devin account. This step ensures Devin can access the right context for you and respond accurately based on your workspace and projects. Using Devin inside Slack is straightforward. Tag @Devin in any channel or thread to start a session. For example, you might write @Devin fix bug in login code or @Devin propose a refactor for the user settings endpoint. Devin will reply directly in that thread and keep the conversation organized there. You can also guide Devin's behavior with inline commands. Use may ask when you want a quick, focused answer without opening a full session. Use but deep when you want deeper research with more context. If a thread gets noisy, type mute to stop Devin from watching it and unmute to bring it back. If you want to speak without Devin processing your message, add aside or use .aside. You can pause Devin with sleep, archive a session with archive, and fully end an active session with exit. These controls let you fine-tune Devin's activity right from Slack. To stay on top of progress, enable notifications so Devin sends you private Slack alerts as sessions update. It's a simple way to keep the team informed without switching to the web app. Consider creating a dedicated channel, such as a Devin Runs channel, and tagging Devin there for debugging reported issues, researching questions, drafting code changes, and summarizing pull requests. Keeping all Devin activity in one place makes it easy to find history and outcomes later. Devin is designed to reply within threads to prevent channel clutter. Continue the conversation by replying in the same thread, and feel free to invoke Devin multiple times there without spinning up separate sessions. Finally, any session started in Slack is linked to your Devin web app. You can track progress in both places, actions in the web